This river turned fun into chaos in seconds. Every splash felt like the river was challenging us. Craziest rapid is still coming. Every journey starts with a quiet moment. Here's where the river and the adventure first meet. Welcome explorers to another exciting adventure on river rafting. Bright sunny afternoon around 3 pm. The temperature was around 16 degrees Celsius. We are doing river rafting from Beas River and merging along the Parvati River. The total distance of the rafting was around 10 kilometers. Floating through crystal clear waters, wrapped by vibrant mountains. This is how adventure whispers before it roars. The calm fades and the river takes the control. The river was whispering and it started to roar. From silence to pure adrenaline. And today's partner in adrenaline is Sundar. He's just excited for this adventure as I am. Let's see who screams first aloud. Beside us is the captain who will be guiding us throughout the river rafting. The river's rapidity just got increasing gradually, and it's time to get us splashed. Oh, that first splash woke us up. And I can already feel the next bounce is coming. We were in the dilemma of whether to continue rafting or just hold the support. Oh, the boat is in sideways, feeling like I am about to fly out. We were feeling like a roller coaster ride with the river. Suddenly, Sundar got and splashed on sideways. Chill water sneaked into his ears. We were shouting and screaming when there was a multiple series of jumps and chill water splashing on us felt like enthrilling. We were following our captain's instructions on when to stop and when to start rowing. Oh, the boat drop and the splash all over us. It was so chill and thrilling.
Ice water. Very chill. Very cold. Come with the safety precaution, please. ஒரே ஐஸ் மாதிரி இது தண்ணி ஐஸை குட்டி அதில் அப்படியே குடிச்சு அப்படி இருக்கும் அந்த மாதிரி ஃபுல் அண்ட் ஃபுல் ஐஸ் வாட்டர் மலை ரிவரு பிரிட்ஜு மலைக்கு நல்லா நாங்கள் அப்படியே போகிறோம் ஒரே சந்தோம் இதுவாக இருக்கு ஃபுல்லாக இருக்கு वो क्या मंदिर है भाई वो मस्जिद है क्या गुरुद्वारा 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 இப்படி இதா பாருங்க எல்லாம் பாருங்க எப்படி இருக்கு பாருங்க சுத்தி இங்கே பாருங்க அங்கே போய் டவுன் ஆகுது இங்கேருந்து நாங்கள் வரோம் ஃபுல்லாக மலை பிரிட்ஜு இங்கே பாருங்க மக்கள்லாம் அப்படி இருக்கு போயிட்டு இருக்காங்க பாருங்க
From calm waters to crashing rapids, this river took us on a journey we'll never forget. Every splash, every bounce, every heartbeat reminded us why we chase moments like this. If you felt even a second of this thrill with us, stay close because the mountains still have more stories to tell. If you love this adventure, hit like, drop a comment, share this adventure, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.